In this video, I will show you how to install the battery tray adapter made by LPG Works for the Seadoo Fishpro Sport, Trophy, Wake Pro, GTX, and RXT-X. As long as your jet ski uses this battery tray here, this adapter will fit and allow you to use a larger battery. There is a notch here specifically to match the corner here that is on the factory battery holder. So to install it, you want to simply just insert this into the factory one. It slides right in. And then there's some self-tapping screws that are provided that you can use to secure the adapter to the factory holder here. And in my case, I'll be using a Norco NLP30 battery. A lot of the AGMs are about the same size. I'll have a listing in the description with those. The foam here is about 2 millimeters, and it's made exactly to fit around this, so there's no movement. As you can see, there's hardly any movement here. The factory strap is going to be short because you have a taller battery, and this is just to simulate where the factory strap would kind of sit. It kind of hangs over like that, and this bracket slides into the existing one here, and as you can see down below is where it needs to hook onto. So to simulate that, you basically just stretch and it will hook on like so. These are now available on the website, and thank you for watching.